Hey everyone, Kim here for Treasure Lee Kit Club. What I've got for you today are our April kit reveals. As you know, Treasure Lee Kits is a monthly kit club and we provide 3 kits: a scrapbook kit, a card kit, and a mixed media kit. And you can find all this on our website at www.treasureleekits.com. So today we're going to do a video reveal of all of our kits. It's the first of the month, so that means you are seeing this. And head over to the website to check out what's still available. But right now we're going to go ahead and get into the kits. First up, we have our scrapbook kit. Our scrapbook kit retails for $52. That includes shipping. And we're going to go through what's in it. First off, we've got some embellishments here from Prima Marketing. These are some vintage trinkets and you're going to get the whole pack. Next up, we've got some Prima flowers, and these are white. You get 6 pieces, again the whole pack. And we've also got some mechanicals, some butterflies in the whole pack. And also, if you didn't know, Treasure Lee has chipboard. We cut our own laser cut chipboard in-house, and you're going to get these 2 ticket borders. And we have a nice thick sturdy chipboard. I don't know if you can see that. We recently changed over and our chipboard is a lot sturdier than it used to be. So you're going to get that. And our papers for this month are by Studio Light, and the line is called Vintage Treasures. But before we get into the papers, you're also going to get 6 sheets of already pre-cut, and you just have to pop out ephemera. So there's no fussy cutting on this, but you're going to get 6 sheets. You're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and number 6. 6 full sheets of ephemera that coordinates with the paper. And then alongside that, you're also going to get 10 sheets of A6 paper to go along with this. And this is also double-sided. You're going to have a pattern on one side, and then you're going to have a muted color on the other. But you're going to get 10 sheets of these as well. And these are going to be great for layering. You can go ahead and cut these up and use these behind your photos. I like doing layering with extra paper. And so there you have it. Nice and muted on one side. And then you've got your graphics on the other side. And if you want, there's some pieces that you can fussy cut out of this. And as you can see, we've got really pretty much a blank canvas here. Our colors are all muted: black, white, gray, with a little hint of brown in them. And here's our last sheet. So those are also going to be included in the kit. And now let's get to your 12 by 12 papers. And like I said, this is from Studio Light, and it's called Vintage Treasures. Look at all the textures on here. These are going to be fun for some masculine layouts. But they're also going to be nice. You can get some feminine layouts in here too, or even some beachy kind of layouts. You've got some beach graphics on here. And this is double-sided paper too, so maybe a little bit of travel. Add some pops of color to this, and you could get some nice spring layouts in this. Or end of the year, if you haven't done the end of the year school pictures, these would be really nice for that as well. And then you've got another sheet here that's also got some ephemera on it. If you want to use some of this, you can go ahead and cut it out. If not, you can just go ahead and use the other side. And then our last sheet, again, it's got some more little postcards that you can cut out, or you can just use the back side. But this has been our scrapbook kit. And again, you can find this on our website at www.treasurekids.com. And I'm pretty sure that there are a limited number of kits left. So to avoid missing out on a kit, if you're enjoying the kits, then why don't you go ahead and subscribe. And speaking of subscribing, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and then turn that notification bell on to all, and then that way you'll be notified whenever we upload a video, because we upload videos, our designers upload videos of projects that they've created using the kits, and you can always follow along to recreate those projects or just get some inspiration. Plus, monthly we do a YouTube live where we recreate a project, so you don't want to miss out on that. Next up, we're going to have our cards, tags, and more kit. Okay, so we've got our cards, tags, and more kit, and we call it our cards, tags, and more because you can get stuff for cards, you can get stuff for tags, or you can get stuff for more. We've been doing a lot of cards lately, so thought we'd switch it up this month, and we've got a mini album. So first up, let's go through some chipboard. We've got this fun little layered teacup piece of chipboard that is going to be in the kit. You're also going to have, let's go with this stuff first. You're going to have these two pieces of vines. They're stars and pearls. You've got one in blue and one in green. You're also going to have some Say It in crystal circles, and they're a little iridescent color. And there's 9 pieces total. You're also going to have some charms, and these are in pink and cream, and they say hello spring. Nice and fun. And then you're also going to get these pockets. They're adhesive backed, but they open up so you can cover the top of it, and then you'll have a little pocket. But you're going to get 6 of those adhesive pockets. And then you're going to get a pack of ephemera. The paper for this collection is called Vintage Tea, hence the little teacups. And you're going to get this full pack of ephemera. There's 82 pieces in here, and that's what you're going to get. You're also going to get this pack of paper, and this is also the Vintage Tea collection, and these are both from Couture Creations. And what you're going to get, it's going to come in a pack like this. This is Vintage Tea, but let me go through the sheets for you real quick. So you're going to get that. There's the front, and there's the back. This is really pretty paper, and this is 6.5 by 6.5. So it's perfect for cards or if you want to make some tags. And what you're getting is 3 sheets of each one of these. So you're going to get 24 sheets because there's 8 sheets in here. So plenty of paper. And these are so pretty. Nice and soft and springy. And then the last sheet, you're going to get these little cards that you can cut out. You can use these for cards. You can use these in the album because you're also going to get this tiny 4.5 by 4.5 mini album to create. We're going to open this up real quick so you can see what the inside is like. And so these 6.5 by 6.5 are going to be perfect for your mini album here. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages plus a cover. And these are nice thick chipboard pages. So this is going to be a fun little project. Hint, hint, you may see this on our Facebook Live. So again, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. And this is our cards, tag, and more kit, and it retails for $42. And again, you can find this on our website at www.treasurekids.com. Next up, we're going to have our mixed media kit. So we'll be right back with that. Okay, so we're back with our mixed media kit. Now, our mixed media kit is a little bit different. It is about building your mediums, but we always include a little bit of a project so you can go ahead and open this kit up, and it can be standalone, and you can start working with it as soon as you get it. So the first thing you're going to have in here are some oversized Treasury tags, and these again are nice and thick. And you're going to get 3 of these. These are Treasury originals. So you're going to have these tags. And then you're also going to have some mica flakes in henna. It's a nice orangey brown color. And you're also going to get some Cosmic Shimmer shakers. These are micas. And if you open them up, you can get this open. There we go. It has a shaker top and it's got a flip lid so that you won't spill it, and then you just close the lid. But these shake out and you just add water to activate them, or you can add these to any clear medium or any white medium to change the color. And you're gonna get 4 of these, and you're getting them in the color, this one is called Gunmetal. This is Ice Blue. This is Deep Purple. And the last one is called Lush Pink. And you're also going to get a resist canvas sheet, and these are going to work great on this resist canvas sheet. Not sure if you've ever worked with it, but it's canvas with a resist design on it. There you go. Can you see the design? And once you add color to it, the canvas will take the color and the design will show through. Really fun to work with, and it's going to be really great to use on these tags. You can cut this any way that you want, so you can use it to cover your tags totally or partially, however you like to do it. And then you can use the Cosmic Shimmers to color that. And then you can use some of your mica flakes to embellish this. And any of your past mediums, if you get our mixed media kit, this will work great with some of our past mediums. And again, like I said, make sure you hit that subscribe button below and turn your notification bell on to all, so you'll be notified of videos. And then when we use this stuff, you can always come back and watch the video and get your inspiration, or figure out how to use these if you've never used them before. So these have been all 3 of our kits for Treasure Lee Kit Club, and you can find them along with all of our chipboard at www.treasureleekits.com. This has been Kim. Thank you very much for joining me, and we'll see you next time. Bye.